Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing fairly well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to stop lagging on Roblox, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. And in this video I will give you step-by-step breakdown and methods how you can stop lagging on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are on our Roblox platform, and where we can easily play a game over that place. So if your graphic design is lagging, then the interface will be hard and difficult for you. So here you can solve this problem by using this method. So first method will be, you need to be click over here. Once you click over here, in here you will find out the setting option. Just visit on the setting and scroll down. Once you scroll down, here you will find out the graphic mode. You can change whatever you want, you can do it, it's totally up to you. Then you will have the graphic quality. You can increase the graphic quality, you can decrease the graphic quality. It's totally up to you how you want. If this does not mix our thing perfectly, then you can go with the control panel. Once you search over here control panel, you will get this option. Here you can go on the hardware panel. So let's find out the options called hardware panel, where you will have the access. Yes, this one, hardware and sound. Just visit that place and you will have the power option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you will see the choose or customize power panel. So here you need to be select this power saver option always. So or you can click on high performance option, it is mandatory. So after clicking this, you will see the result that your lagging problem has been completely closed. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.